that's on my way. Guys, that took us a minute. Going to go ahead and get into the store, into the warehouse, and see what we can get. Let me check that I've got my my card before I'll get there and my card is not with me. Okay, I have my card. It's my card. It's my Costco membership. I'll just get it out. Actually, it makes life easier. When I get there, I'll just tap it because you have to do that to get in. I've got to go and get a trolley, which I really hate, but gonna have to do it. It worked. So guys, we're ready. Oh my god, look at the size of this TV. How many? 100. Guys. 100-inch TV. Oh my god, look at that. 100 inches. Did you see that? Wow. I can't fit it into the phone in its own because it is that big. Oh my god. This is the biggest TV I've ever. I didn't know there's a 100-inch TV ever. This is my very first time seeing it. Wow, it's huge. Right. Anyway. I'm not here for TV though. They have laptops. Let's see, there isn't quite. Christmas stuffs are not quite out yet. Because usually by now, it's out. It's actually out, but I don't think there's quite a lot of it. So, what am I getting today? Just water. Maybe some other bits and bobs. So, let's go shopping. Guys, ooh, guys, this is, oh my god, what is this? Belvedere. Have you seen the size of it? What is it? 200 liters? No, it's even bigger than 200 liters. I can't carry this in one hand. I can't even carry this in one hand even if I tried. Look at the size of that. I'm gonna actually try. Can I have a little change, please? What is it?
Espresso martini.
Espresso martini. Where is it?
It's an alcoholic beverage.
Ooh, oh my god.
To have for your special events.
Yes.
Parties, Christmas parties as well. Especially throughout the
Is it like Bailey's, but better?
It's a bit like a Bailey's, yes, but better. Price is only $17.98. That is with that included whatsoever.
Guys, that was so nice. Anyway, are you gonna be here towards Christmas time or?
For these, yes.
I will get them for Christmas. We'll be back. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm like, that's like, every time I come to the wait, let me even wait there. They should not invite you. All right. No, that's all right. It was good. Oh, thank you so much. You saved my life. So guys, I saw someone I know and he helped me pack the whole water. Like I was stressing about packing the water and then I saw him. And I haven't seen this guy in like 7 years. And I saw him, we just had a quick catch up. He's got an African shop. I think I'm gonna go there. He said he's there on a Sunday, so I will go and we can catch up because it's been a long time. So he helped me to load my water. That was really, really kind of him. So now I don't have to worry. I just have to worry about pushing it now. So yay! I had this last year. It's like cute little bottles of rosé, and then they had this big one. I feel like this is the best rosé ever. It's just so nice. So they have it this year. I might get it for Christmas. We're definitely coming back for Christmas shopping. Today I'm just getting bare minimum. So yeah. Okay. My finger's been in the way all day. Yeah, water as well, just these.
Anything at the children's hospital?
Oh, no, not today. I'll do that next time.
£45.41.
Yeah.
Yeah, so £3 something.
Thank you very much. Okay. I'm gonna need to get, actually, I might not, I don't want to go. I'm actually very shattered. This has shattered me, okay? This has tired me out, so I might not get petrol because I am very tired. So I'm gonna quickly just add at least 20 quid so that the next time we will come, we'll still have petrol enough to, to come here. So just quickly. I'm pretty much home, tired. The boot is so full. I'm gonna move a little bit of stuff, but most of it I'm gonna leave it for my husband because I am not going to carry any heavy items. Because thank God that guy helped me in Costco to, pack the water, and I managed to put it in the car. Now it's home. He's gonna have to do the rest of the lifting. I've tried, right? Haven't I? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys next time in my next video. Okay, have a lovely day. God bless you all. Bye.